come on. I'm in the car, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm from more, you ready, I don't want more. I'm gonna switch the whole shit right here, that's gonna be hard. Come on. The fat too strong and Jay might die. Punch the next one. Like bros can go and cut the dope. I got my mind clearing.
I'm telling you this shit. Every nigga around us, bro. That shit. Every nigga in their own lane. These niggas ain't in nobody way. These niggas helping each other. This shit crazy.
He gonna make me. He gonna make me like.
But I just do this shit so quick. Like I don't think you just gotta donate.
I just told you this.
See this shit. This nigga cook up whole album, 2 albums, 3 albums.
What up, Juice?
In a day. Whole day,
On the
bro.
slum.
Get him in the studio,
When
whole
that
day.
motherfucker cooking or what?
Cooking that shit.
Juice ain't in there making that.
Back to back to back to back. Give him a beat pad, he gonna fuck that whole shit up.
Crazy.
Hey, this shit, but fuck it, I get the next one. Popped a Percocet and fucked around and show my ex love. Tried to give her Gucci, she said, boy, I want my chest done. Flew out to DR, cause I heard they made the best ones. In the G5 off a G6, oh, I'm dead gone. Fucked around and for the best friend, yeah, I was dead wrong. She said, don't call me bae no more. I told that bitch, okay, I'm gone. Like I'm back, I'm playing like back credit, I can't leave alone. White Louis head to toe, I'm looking like a Kia Cole. Fat too strong and Jay might die. Like bros can go and cut the dough. That boy for the racks, I still fuck with the poor. I ain't talking about cutting you in line, but let me be for you. I ain't value true religions, baby. I ain't trying to horseshoe. I got my mind.
I ain't trying to cut you in line, but let me be for you. This listen.
Bring yard to the J. They know it's not.
That nigga's different, bro.
You feel what I'm saying?
Started from the top, RichBaby. No cap. Fuck that. You talking about that? This the RichBaby. Y'all talking about. Stop playing.
Crazy. Going nuts. You niggas going. You niggas home. You niggas want this shit. What? He tied me up though.
I don't like the normal flight, so broski call a jet up. Like after I'm done stepping on it, nigga, pick your neck up. That nigga ain't never lift a weight, but somehow he still flexed up. I heard you sliding bullet, how the fuck you still get wet up? I ain't got no doctor appointment, but I still went and got my checkup. She said you got hoes, and I said, baby, you my best one. Mr. New made bad this shit, but fuck it, I get the next one. Popped a Percocet and fucked around and show my ex love. No, you ain't no step alone, nigga, you my stepson. Every time I thumb through them blue faces, I feel better. You know my trap be bustin', if you see 12 then give a heads up. Broski to the loss, gave him some racks, said keep your head up. But they betting on me, whole time it's for me to lose. BMFBG, little bitch, I'm drillin' shit about school. I spit up nigga drug, having it some shoe. Smoking real dope, this shit stickier than glue. 20 bands on 20 bands, my pockets do the money dance. Try to give her $40, she said where my 40 bands. I snuck in the 40, and my shorty got a 40 clip. He don't sell no perkies, but he still gon' put a 30 in them. Niggas getting back dirt and they best man and they hurrying. I be in the streets, I know my mama, she be worrying. Bet I beat the case before the judge, let the jury in. I'm gonna get a nigga lined up like a Burberry fit.